Now that we have an idea of how to write an article in Joomla, let's show you how to do some of the more fancy things. Put in some images and make it look a little nicer. So if I've already got an article, I can go in and hit the Edit Article button, the little yellow pencil, or I can go back to the home page and choose to create a new article. I'm just going to edit this one for now. So once I click that, again, it opens up the article editor. Let's say I want to put in an icon or a picture right here of, that talks about Chapter 5, make it look a little nicer. I found a picture online from a Google image search, this Chapter 5 right there, and so I want to get this from the web and put it onto my article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor where I want that image to go, and then I'm going to click the Add Image button. It looks like a little tree. Icon's hard to see, but that's the one right there. So I'll click that and I get some information about it. If it's a picture that's on our web server, or if it's a picture I need to upload myself, I click Browse Server. If I have the URL or the web address for that picture, I can just go ahead and enter that here. So I'm going to grab that. And so since this picture is already online, I don't need to download it to my computer, but I do want to get the biggest version of it possible. So I always click on it, and then I always click on See Full Size Image. That gives me the picture all by itself, and then I can just go up to the image, to the address bar and copy that address that it gives me right there. I have it out of the frame so you can't see it, but I'll hit copy there, and now I've got the location of this picture. Come back to my image, come back to my article, and I'll right click and paste that address in that into that URL field. You hit a tab and okay, it's found it, it's got the right size, and it's showing me a preview of what it'll look like with the text wrapping around it. If I change the alignment to either right or left, I'll just choose left. That will actually make the text wrap around the picture that I've got. If I think it's a little too close to there, I can give it some horizontal space of like 10, and then I'll give it some space around that picture to see. So when I say OK, now I've got that Chapter 5 icon there, and it's made my article look just a little bit nicer. What if it's a picture I've got on my computer that I want to upload? Okay, I'll just get rid of this for now. And let's say I want to put in a picture of one of my own pictures. So again, put the cursor where I want my picture to go, click the image button, and then go to Browse Server. This will take me to the Images folder, and so there's already a lot of images there that have been uploaded before. And if you just want a Mustang logo or something else, they're already there. I can just click on this and be done. But if it's a photo on my computer, I need to click this Choose File. I'm on a Mac, so it might look a little different than yours. But basically, you just navigate to where you want, or to where you know that picture is going to be. So I'll grab a picture of my cute little dog here, maybe my wife. There we go. That's a good looking photo of my dog. So I'll say Open. And then I've got to send it to the server. The only way for this picture to be able to be displayed is if the web server knows how to have access to it. And the best way to do that is just to click that, send it to the server, and now it should be in this list here somewhere. It's probably a good idea if you, on the first time through, since there are a lot of other photos here, first time through you got to create a new folder. And so let's do that. I'll just call it Stevens, so that every time I come in, I know to go to that folder for my images. So we choose that file one more time. There we go. Open, send to the server, and there it is. So click on it. There she is. If I want to change the size of it, make it a little smaller, I can do that. Change the alignment to left, give a little bit of space, and OK. And that's how I get a photo into my article in Joomla. Hit save when I'm done.